Hey y'all, it's Tiereney, and if you want to know what my most complimented bags of 2021 were, please stay tuned. Cue the music. Handbags, but these are the bags that every time I am out, someone stops me saying, hey, oh my gosh, I love your purse. Oh, that's so cute. Where'd you get your bag from? ETC. So I just wanted to show you what my most complimented bags this year were. So the first one that I always get compliments on, it's my Louis Vuitton NeoNoe, and this is actually the bag that I'm in right now, so it looks a little heavy, girl. Got a whole bunch of stuff in here, but this is my Louis Vuitton NeoNoe that I've had for maybe about a year and a half. No, maybe 2. I don't know. I think about 2 years. But anyway, where I am, we don't have a Louis Vuitton store, so most people will travel to Nashville or out of town to purchase their Louis Vuitton items, and most people have the Neverfull. So a lot of people do not have this purse where I am. So every time someone sees it, they're like, oh my gosh, now what style is that? What's the name of that one? I like that one better than the one that everybody else has. So this is just a really cute bag that goes with everything. I told y'all I did a what's in my bag when my very first video. It's still, I have issues with it falling off my shoulder when it's too full, but other than that, I really like this bag. It jazzes up every outfit, and I can't get out of a store without somebody saying, oh my gosh, I love that purse. So this was a number 3, my Louis Vuitton NeoNoe. Get so many compliments on this whenever I carry it. I don't know what it retails for now. Thank God I already got mine, honey, so this y'all probably not mine, but if I can find it, I will put it in the description box below. Next bag, which I guess is kind of cheating, is, you guessed it, my Marc Jacobs Traveler Totes, and these are in mini. Are they mini or small? I think these are mini, y'all, but go look at my past reviews. I just put both of these up here because I find that I get compliments on both of them whenever I'm out anywhere. So if I got the blue one, depending on the outfits, people ask about it, or when I have this one. I also think too, y'all, you can get these standard, but if you can, change your webbing strap or add you some patches, add your personal touches, and I think that just takes your bag up to another level, you know, because look at this one, like the webbing strap on this is black, but if you change your strap, that just gives your bag a whole nother level of oomph and pizzazz and jazz. So I don't know if I would still get these same compliments if I had not changed the webbing straps or did a little extra razzle dazzle to it. But when I tell you, whenever I am in Sephora or to Target, Walmart, because y'all know them the only places that I go, I get so many compliments on these bags. So many people asking me where did I get them from, or just want to stop me and say, oh, I really like your purse, or like your outfit, your swag, or whatever. Your bag really goes with what you got on. So this is number 2. I get so many compliments on these bags. The blue one is retired for now because it's more of a winter, summer, not winter, spring, summer color. But this one, oh yeah, I cannot think of the color. Is this sage green? Oh girl, it's been a minute. I think this is the sage green. She is still gonna get some use because of her color, but love these. They are still holding up very well, and I get dozens of compliments on these bags, so highly recommend. And number one, y'all wouldn't even believe it. Bomb. Let me stop being silly, y'all. This is my Cise Store Protect Black Women. Now, she has been put up for a while because she's just beautiful in this beautiful color. When I tell you, I could not get out my front door with somebody looking at this bag in this color and say, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I don't know exactly what chemicals they put to make this cherry blossom color, but it is so attention grabbing. Like, I seek an attention grabbing. Everyone sees this color and then they see what's on the bag, and I think that just takes it to a whole nother level. Yeah, I cannot get out my front door. I cannot get out of my car. A lady literally followed me to my car one day and she was like, I don't mean to scare you, but I just love that purse. I have got to know where you purchased it from. So if you want all eyes on you for all the right and maybe some of the wrong reasons, girl, she is banging. And of course, we are not gonna forget what she says and what she means. So yeah, this is for the times that I've carried her. Every time I've carried her, I have gotten compliments. I don't care where I have been, and I don't care if I was dressed up or dressed down. I have gotten so many compliments while carrying this bag. So she definitely takes the #1 spot for 2021. So woo, shout out to you, Cise Store. Also Black owned and operated, and they have some more things coming down the pipeline for 2022. So I'm so very proud of them. They've grown so much and they are consistently putting out fabulous products that, you know, have their message out there, but also gonna keep you looking fly and fabulous, darling. All right, well, that's all I got, girl. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am so looking forward to what my 2022 handbag purchases are going to be, but I got some bills I need to pay too that I'm trying to pay off, so we gonna see, girl. But yeah, hope y'all like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.